Hi there, this is Dr. Jack Belitz, and welcome to another edition of the Ask Dr. Jack Show. The topic today is chemotherapy. I have a patient that has a spouse who is undergoing chemotherapy in this moment. And they wanted to know what they could do to help with that process, if anything at all. And so I happened to come across this really awesome study that was done. And it was just a really tremendous study. Now, the most common side effect of chemotherapy is called CPIN. And basically, it's chemical therapy induced peripheral neuropathy. In other words, a condition that happens when you start getting numbness and pain in your hands or fingers or legs. And it's far too common of a side effect of this therapy. But anyway, these guys looked at a bunch of studies that were done and noticed that there was something that reduced the chances of getting this CPIN between 57 and 74%. So those are really huge numbers there. Now, guess what it was? All right, have you got something in mind? Vitamin E. I know, crazy, but vitamin E has been shown through a number of studies to reduce the incidence of this CPIN by between 57 and 74% of the participants in the different studies. So if you have a friend or a loved one or a family member or anyone that is undergoing chemotherapy, the dosage that these people were taking was, depending on the study, between 300 to 600 milligram or units per day. So IU, international units. So I would tell them, get some vitamin E that's between 400 to 600 IUs per tablet, or get 2 tablets that will amount to that much. And now the big thing, make sure that you've got a good quality vitamin E. We've talked about vitamins before. There is a huge difference in the quality of the vitamin that you are receiving depending on the source of that vitamin. So do yourself a favor and seek out a good quality source. If you have some issues with that, give the office a call, 402-333-4848, and we will get you hooked up with some good stuff. But this is really can be life-altering information for people that have to undergo that type of treatment. So anyway, that's it for this episode of the Ask Dr. Jack Show. I am, of course, Dr. Jack Belitz, a chiropractor here in Omaha. I'm not here giving medical advice as of especially today, because we talked about vitamins. But I'm never here doing that. I'm merely passing on information that you can use to make quality, healthy decisions about your health and your life. I hope you have a very beautiful day. If you have any questions you'd like me to help you with, look up, research, ask Dr. Jack B, that's BEE, at gmail.com, or 402-333-4848. You can ask over the phone or stop in person. Have a marvelous day, and I'll see you in the next episode.